So I'm very happy to announce his name is BCom from Baramulla, Mr.
Along with the August team of HP, which is present here, it is being duly represented by Mr. Deepak Bajaj, Mr. Raju Das, Mr. Vishal, and their other team members. Moreover, we thank you from the core of our heart. Despite being so busy, despite having such a busy schedule, you have made it to this event. For sure, this is a kind of encouragement for us, and we'll be viewing this for much long. Before we take it to another level, I just want to elaborate briefly regarding the objective of this event, which we broadly, in the language of OEM, they call it MDF, and while as I have changed it a bit, we call it as PPF, Partner Development Program. Even before we were not related with HP at this pedestal as we are now, but that time also we had this thought that this is the only medium, because at the end partnerships are the only thing which can make your business grow. The pie is so big that it cannot be, believe me, it cannot be digested by a single individual, single entity by alone. Everybody should get its piece, and the trickle down effect should be felt by every one of you. This is the main objective. Without encroaching the territory of other partners, without encroaching the territory of other dealers, and let them work in their domain, and in spite of this, being a helping hand to them, that is the objective of this meet. Now, Partnership Development Program is a process of identifying.
And thank you to all our partners who actually supporting day in and day out to grow us together. So basically Rashid Saab ने बहुत कुछ cover कर दिया about their partnership and about their growth journey and what HP has in bucket for our partners like you. Because you are the one who are contributing in our business. You are doing business in this valley and in the state of J&K, Jammu and Kashmir state, which is eventually, I'm sure you must have been hearing since long. HP is one of the channel company. Because हमने जब स्टार्ट किया था ये जर्नी इंडिया में, और जहां हम लोग हैं, just because of partners like you. Because in every state, nook and corner, you will see the kind of presence HP has in the market. No other brand has. Right? So we always, take care of our partners, take care of employees. You are part of our extended family, the way, we work. So the same way Rashid has also presented in his, slides, the way he is growing in multifolds. I am sure you are also growing. Because your success is our success. This is what the mantra of our company. If you are not growing in our business, you are not making margin, eventually there is something wrong which is going behind. Right? Maybe what business we are doing in metros, हो सकता है हम जो चीज़ metro बेचते हैं यहाँ कुछ और बेचते हैं. Because demand is something different. So, because we are changing our strategies, we are changing our product portfolio just because of the demand of the market. It's all about location to location and customer to customer. So that's the reason in today's very dynamic market we have different range of portfolios, different range of product while understanding the customer demand and partners demand. And since मेरे पास आज you people are supporting us in almost all the categories, like we have commercial desktops, commercial laptops. Actually, not a technical background. Since I am the zonal manager, I handle the overall North 2 as an upcountry market of business head, right? So I can only brief the sales fundamental ki hum log, although you are master in your sales strategies, right? But what we have from our head office side, हमारे पास क्या 3 चीजें हैं जो मैं आपको भी बता सकता हूँ, which can definitely add value to your business, which you can present to your customers and your partners, and you can make extra dollars and money, right? So basically, why we are here to make money end of the day. I'll not take much of time. So just to start with, I am covering today our business notebook portfolio, right? So business PC and print both. So wherever you have any question, any sort of question, any sort of query, we would love to address. Feel free to ask, and you can stop me in between also, or you can ask after the presentation. So basically, to start with my presentation on commercial notebook, right? So you must have seen the business model has been changed. What we used to do earlier, जो पहले हम काम करते थे, सुबह ऑफिस में गए थे, सब रोज में लोग बैठे हुए और अपना काम कर रहे हैं, right? After that pandemic, that working style has been totally changed. People are sitting here in Kashmir and working job for Bangalore, maybe Mumbai or Delhi, right? 4 दिन के लिए आए, 10 दिन के आए, वर्क फ्रॉम होम किया और चले गए, राइट? तो इस वर्किंग इस चेंजिंग बिहेवियर में क्या हो रहा है, डिमांड हैज आल्सो बीन चेंज्ड, राइट? अगर मैं यहां पर काम कर रहा हूं तो मेरे को लैपटॉप चाहिए, राइट? उस लैपटॉप की जो लैपटॉप पहले यूज करते थे, और अगर मुझे यहां से वर्चुअल कॉल करनी है, दैट लैपटॉप इज फुल्ली एनेबल्ड इन सच ए मैनर दैट विदाउट एनी हर्डल I can communicate better, I can collaborate better, so that while I am out of office, but still my work should be 100% perfect, what management is expecting from me, right? So keeping in mind, my presentation is all about on that only, right? How our devices are changed, right? How the current market demand is, right? And secondly, in current scenario, what HP is doing to make our partners more profitable. So Dragonfly is one of the premium products which we have here in demo. So I would request whenever we are done with the presentation, kindly have a look at that. Probably we can share more insight on that. So this is overall portfolio part, which is 200, 400, 600, 800, 1000 series in Dragonfly. So what the latest devices now have, so they are more collaborative. So also, this is one of the another thing which is break free from your desk. So I'm sure I am not boring everyone. So these are very small things, but definitely can create an impact while having a customer. These are the features that we can sell it now. When the more we will discuss on the feature, customer will give more money to us. Right. So with HP Auto Frame, आप लोगों ने काफी बार ad देखा होगा. Auto Frame में you can fix up your frame, but you really want to do, if you want to showcase only your face, that will fit. If you want to showcase your full that will scan and you can showcase that. This is one of the features in our home. Another is lighting. If you are doing an presentation, video call meetings, probably how light can impact.
A3 मशीन पे हमारे पास खाली मोनो था, कलर एक भी ऑप्शन अवेलेबल नहीं था. इवन तो 30 ppm के ऊपर कोई भी प्रोडक्ट लाइन अवेलेबल नहीं था. तो वो सारा प्रोडक्ट लाइन जेम पे अभी अवेलेबल है. सो हमारे पास जो मोनो सीरीज है 438 NDA, 42625 DM, अगेन 438 NDA, ये जो 3 सीरीज है, इन तीनों का इंजन सेम है. इसमें एक ही टोनर लगता है, एक ही स्पेयर लगेंगे, और सारे ड्रम डेवलपर सब कुछ एक सेम लगेंगे. जैसे इसमें टोनर आता है 13,700 का, तीनों मशीन में सेम टोनर लगेगा. तो जिससे आपको बेनिफिट है कि कस्टमर को ज्यादा इन्वेंट्री मैनेज करने की जरूरत नहीं है. तो 438 DM इज 22 ppm मशीन, ड्यूटी साइकिल 50,000, 512 MB रैम, स्कैन स्पीड इज 33 IPM. 438 NDA is with ADF, rest all feature are same.